Hey demons, welcome to another channel of mine, and today I am with a very special friend called Dylan. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I also make YouTube videos.
He does, so I'll put a link into that in the description below.
So tell them why we are here today.
Today we are here to help him get more subscribers and also just have fun.
Oh yeah, and we'll have to create one more. So if you don't mind, I have to.
Yeah, we'll make some more videos too.
No, I was meaning
to put it on his channel
no,
too.
like I was meaning use one of your characters.
Yeah, this is my character moving here.
Okay, get another one so I can,
So this is another one. This is my. I better just tell my friend we're making a video.
Okay. I hope we get lots of YouTubers watching this video.
I'm making a sorry. So yeah, I'm not normally mean, but I'll let her stay for this once.
Okay, please, can I? This is
so Dylan's going to change my wolf
and tell them.
Oh, careful.
Okay, tell them what I have to do.
So he has to change the colours that you can see here.
Yeah, whoa! We zoomed in.
Oopsie.
I don't like zooming in.
That's my fault, guys. Hang on one sec. Oh, now what have I done?
Can you de-zoom it?
I don't have to de-zoom. I'm not smart.
I think
It'll be fine.
Oh, I found it.
Right, guys. Now we're back on track.
Okay, since we have a bit more. Wait. So we have to take off the tiara.
We're going to take off the tiara.
And the dress.
And the top. So yeah, it's a naked wolf, but deal with it. So he's going to now change the colours.
Okay, look at my design.
Yes,
now.
On this channel, guys, I have got a different user because I got banned from my original one because someone tried to copyright me, so I had to make a new Animal Jam account. So that happened. By the way, in the description, I will put a link to his videos on.
Yeah, by the way, look.
What are you doing to my poor animal, Dylan?
I'm creating it as a cool form.
Shout out to everyone that knows me out there.
Tell them.
And I hope you guys can go subscribe to him. It would mean a lot to me.
No, tell him it would mean a lot to me.
And it would mean a lot to this one too. Mr. Cheeky.
Yeah, aka, I know they can't see us.
But they can hear us.
Yeah. Look at this. Look. Yeah. Should I,
We've only got 15 minutes there, bud, remember.
Oh, sorry. And, woo-da-la.
I'm a strange human. I'm gonna sing I'm a lime. I'm a juicy that sounds so wrong.
Okay, now we should get out.
So you want to get out of the den?
Yep.
So guys, we are also doing another Animal Jam tour. Naked. Because that's what he wanted. So you choose a place. Do you want to go to Belush or Mount Shiver or anywhere?
Right there.
Mount Shiver?
Yeah. By the way, we should...
What did she just ask me? I forgot.
Wait,
she asked if I can go on Roblox. Sorry guys, my Roblox is called Katie. What did you do now? If you want to go on that.
Do you have a star code?
I do not have a star code.
So get a star code.
No human. This is my thing. Oh, nice warm water. That sounds wrong. I'm trying to make him laugh. Right, so he finally got it. So as you can see, these are all my buddies. Ooh, my brother's on.
Tell him why we are naked.
Nah, he'll understand later. Anywho, so that's my brother, blah, blah, blah.
How about one of your friends?
These are all my friends. Who should I go and annoy? Choose someone off the list to annoy.
Ha! Eeny, meeny, miny, you.
We're already on him.
Oh, he's awful.
Why? Oh, we're already annoying someone apparently. Because I'm doing... I can't even spell today. Oh, she has to go in 20 minutes. Diddums. I'm not normally mean, guys, but this person has been following me a lot and it's really annoying me. And she's a bit of a bully, so she's really annoying me today. But I'm never mean, am I, Dylan?
No.
Am I ever mean?
No, but well, we should record another live stream on my account for this.
Yeah. This isn't live, but yeah. So, who should we annoy apart from AJ?
How about,
One of the A calls.
yeah, I think 44.
44, I don't have 44. I've got 48, 22, 12 and 555.
22. Oh, it was 48, I mean.
I'm at 48, okay. Oh,
Tell
they're
them.
here anyway.
Tell
I
them.
am making... Ooh, beef.
Tell him that Dylan. Say.
No, they don't like us. They don't like us, sad face.
So should I create a bit more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead. So this is Dylan now creating what he wants.
Okay, let's just put something so I wouldn't be off the flock.
So he does quite good YouTube channels, obviously, as I said. They're actually quite good. And if Ryan's watching this, hi, bye. High five for that. Ow. I can't even high five today. Okie dokie then. Oh, someone just came on. We can annoy someone. We can annoy someone.
Oh, tell them that I got this.
He came on. Ooh, the perfect person to annoy in my daily life. Who just came to my den? Who dared to venture into my den? Who did? Ooh, hi Hunter. Who are you?
Look who we got in the. Who did we draw in the cat?
A very annoying human and the bully. This is gonna be fun. We don't normally annoy people.
Holy shoot!
We don't really annoy people, and this one doesn't swear. We're basically waiting for my sister to get on because she's more fun to annoy. But I wonder what brings Hunter here though. Because he never visits my den because I annoy him too much.
Tell him.
What brings you to my den? What brings you to my den?
Can you put in? Me and Dylan are making a YouTube video. We're recording that late at night. Everybody, we're recording at late at night. And we're also going to play with. So we should make a live stream. So we
now
should
let's go annoy my brother.
Okay.
Wait for him to come in and annoy.
Okay.
How should we annoy him?
How about, dress as a seal that looks zero thing?
No, I know how to annoy him. Tell him I'm a vampire all the time.
Nah.
Let's wait for it.
Give.
Wow. So he does actually, Day does do quite good.
So let's
things.
rewrite it.
God, if this bully doesn't stop following me, I'm gonna go absolutely mental on her. Oh, they're in Day's den. Oh goody, Day unbuddied me again.
Boo.
Boo!
Really? The bully's here? What are these guys? What is the bully really coming?
To my brother's den.
Coming to following us all the time. Really?
Okay. Why did they unbuddy me? I hate restricted chat. Why did they unbuddy me? I'm gonna do a sad face because I don't like being unbuddied by anyone.
But let's get that love heart on, you know that guy.
I'll flirt with him in a sec.
Can I tell him? Tell them, okay. And should we make live streams for all three of us? First, me and Daddy.
I don't know what you...
Then you and me. You're sleeping?
So, guys, this is just as a prank. The bully knows it's a prank. So...
Let's see if we...
Jeez, if they don't stop asking to go on Roblox, what we're gonna do, Dylan?
We're going...
We're gonna explode.
Tell...
Okay, that just got inappropriate.
Oh my Lord! That's it. You have to unfriend her. Unfriend her and we have no more bully. We don't have any bully.
I warned him I was doing a video. I'm gonna have to try and blur that out, but I don't know how. And they're shocked. And I forgot. Okay, so Animal Jam. Ooh, my brother's here. Let's see if he'll help. Annoy. Evil for my vid.
High five, little fool. And tell her why she's green.
That's my brother.
Tell him why you're green and red and blue, and you have blue eyes. What, is the bully coming back?
No, this is my sister, my brother, and my brother.
Can you so put in?
Oh, the fighting.
Say everybody, you finally arrived.
Ooh, my friend and me have been expecting you.
Tell them why you're...
I'm being told off by my brother.
Can you tell them why you're blue-red?
I have.
They have. Say this is Dylan's. Tell him this is... tell them it's my skin.
No.
Please.
No, look, it's if I put Dylan, it's not allowed.
Oh.
Let's find someone else to annoy. They're boring.
But don't use your proper name.
No. Let's go somewhere annoying. Let's go to a party and annoy humans.
No, how about we just play some mini games?
First.
And if we want, we could play Fortnite together. Do you have Fortnite?
No, sorry. Oh, we're nearly having to finish our first video.
Okay.
So, guys, this is gonna have to be a wrap. So,
Yeah.
cookies.
And by the way, the